How you doing? This is Sascha Chatman again. We're on our new construction tour. Today, I got a treat for you. We're out here in Argyle once again. We're in the neighborhood of Harvest, and we're going to be looking at a plantation home. It is awesome. Okay, we're going with the Toledo Bend Model. Okay, it is a nice four-bedroom home, 3 baths, 2,450 square feet, 1 story. It is awesome. Let's go. All right, first, this is the model home. So I just want you guys to see this awesome elevation. It is super nice. It's almost like a small castle. Let's go see it. So when you first come into the home, one thing you're gonna notice is these super high ceilings. Okay, these are 12-foot ceilings, and it's so nice. All right, so this would actually be your first bedroom. Now in this floor plan, they elected to make this an office. Okay, so this is bedroom number 1. We're gonna make our way over. Here's the bathroom. All right, now here we go into bedroom number 2. I like this bedroom. I've already told you blue is my favorite color, but I like the fact this is just a regular standard bedroom, guys. And you have a sitting pane right there in the window. That is nice. Okay, now this is bedroom number 3. I like the design. X's and O's. My daughter would eat this up. She would love it. Let me do it from this direction for you. So, tell me, would you decorate your little girl's room this way? Because I think I would. My daughter would love it. It's a girl's world, right? Now let's go ahead and get to the main part of the house. First thing, look at the ceiling. That's just beautiful design. Okay, and it opens up here with this formal dining. You have a wine rack right here. Check it out. That's nice. Got a nice little wet bar. Classical music. This house is elegant. It's super elegant. Here's your family room. Okay, you have your TV as a centerpiece. You got your fireplace. Look at all the different built-ins that they have in this home. And a lot of this stuff is not upgrades, even though it's the model. Plantation Homes is just on another level like that. Right? Large windows, perfect natural lighting, and then this kitchen. Look how this kitchen just opens up. I love the island, okay? I love the dark wood cabinets. And then I think it really helps with this floor. What do you think? You have your fridge over here. What I like the most about the kitchen really is the breakfast nook. Beautiful design. I love the windows. And that's standard. That's a standard feature here in Plantation Homes. Okay? Now let's go see that master bedroom. Here's your master. It's a nice size. Nice size master, right? Is that big enough for you? What about now? Yeah, that's right. Look at it. It's a whole other room in this master. It's like a whole other room in the master. I had to say it twice. It just opens up here. I mean, that's just, now this is a master bedroom. Now let's go to the master bath. First thing here, you come in, beautiful tub. I love this tub. Okay, I believe that's gonna be her sink. Because this is his sink. Or it's the other way around. I know. Alright, here's the closet. Nice closet. You know what? Bam. They think about everything over here. Like I said, Plantation Homes is one of the premier builders that we have here in the end of here. The house is big enough. They make sure they use all the space. And then here's your shower. Side shower. Thanks for watching to the end. Like I said, I'm Sascha Chatman here with Chatman Realty Group, your new construction agent, here to show you all the best new construction homes on the market, spec homes, model homes. If you want to buy a new construction home, give me a call. Plantation Homes is an excellent option. The luxury, the amenities, you name it. Okay, watch my next couple videos. I'm going to show you some spec homes that are ready to go, and they will make a great deal with you. All right, this could be your house. this one could be yours. All right, 817-668-0311. Have a blessed day. Take care.